Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Investing may seem intimidating at first, but with the right knowledge, anyone can master the basics and achieve financial success. In this video, we'll guide you through the world of investing, breaking it down into simple, easy to understand terms. So let's dive in. First, let's understand what investing really is. Investing is the act of putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. These assets can be stocks, ETFs, REITs, bonds, real estate, or even your own business. The key is to choose investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Now, let's talk about the power of compound interest. Compound interest is the money you earn not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest or returns you accumulate over time. By starting early and letting your investments grow, compound interest can significantly boost your wealth. So, don't wait. Start investing as soon as possible. Next, let's address diversification. Diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries. This helps minimize your risk and protect your portfolio from market volatility. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. As you begin your investing journey, it's important to understand the different investment vehicles available. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can provide potential growth. ETFs are a basket of investments such as stocks and bonds. REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate across a range of property sectors. Bonds are loans made to governments or corporations and offer fixed interest payments. Real estate can generate passive income through rent or appreciation. Take the time to research and identify the vehicles that suit your financial goals. Lastly, stay informed and stay disciplined. Keep track of market trends and economic news that might impact your investments. Don't let emotions guide your decisions, and always have a long-term perspective. Consistency is key when it comes to investing. Congratulations! You've completed the beginner's guide to investing. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Remember, investing is a journey, so keep learning and adapting. With dedication and smart decision-making, you can achieve financial success. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.